Workloads needed for Visual Studio 2019 to work with JS frameworks like Vue.js, React.js, Angular, etc. We are going to open Visual Studio 2009 installer. Here we have Visual Studio installer. Click it and it will open up the installer, which shows two tabs, installed and available tabs. I am using Visual Studio Community Edition 2019, and in the available tab it's showing me the enterprise and professional editions. To add more workloads or to verify which workloads are installed on the system, click on More and then click on Modify. Okay, here we can see what workloads we have selected. First is the ASP.NET and web development. You can have more workloads selected as per your needs, but for minimum you need to have these checked to work with the tutorials that I am putting on YouTube. Okay, so these two workloads, and then there is an optional workload, that is data storage and processing. This workload I have put here to create a local file database so that we don't need to use an actual database, which will keep developer PC light. Thank you very much.